Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Flow, the place where English feels simple, natural, and comfortable. I'm Aria.
And I'm Ethan, and today we're going to change the way you speak English.
Yes, not by memorizing grammar, not by stress, but by using simple phrases again and again until English feels natural in your mind.
Today's goal is simple. We will help you speak English comfortably. Not perfectly, comfortably.
Because real confidence comes when you feel relaxed while speaking.
So take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin.
Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, what's the first thing you think?
Most people think in their own language, but today we change that habit.
Say this in your mind. I am awake.
Again, slowly. I am awake.
Now say, today will be a good day.
This is how you train your brain. Small sentences every day.
Now imagine you are getting out of bed.
You can say, I feel a little tired,
Or, I need some coffee.
or let me start my day.
These are not just sentences, these are daily habits.
And when English becomes a habit, fluency becomes easy.
Let's do a quick, natural conversation. Listen carefully.
Good morning, Arya. How are you feeling today?
I feel good, just a little sleepy.
Same here. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. I feel ready now.
That's great. Let's start the day.
Did you notice something?
No difficult words, no stress, just simple English.
That's the secret of fluent speakers. They use simple English naturally.
Now let's move to the kitchen.
You can say, I am making breakfast.
Or this smells really good.
Or, I'm hungry.
Or let's eat.
Say it again. Let's eat.
Good. Keep it simple, keep it natural.
Now, let's build your vocabulary, but in a smart way.
Not long lists, just useful words.
First word, comfortable. It means relaxed, not stressed.
Example, I feel comfortable speaking English.
Say it with us. I feel comfortable speaking English.
Second word, habit, something you do every day.
Example, speaking English is my daily habit.
Third word, natural, something that feels easy and normal.
Example, I want to speak English naturally.
Now let's use these words in real sentences.
I feel comfortable when I practice.
Speaking daily is my habit.
I want to speak naturally.
Perfect. This is how you learn vocabulary the smart way.
Now let's test you. Answer in your mind.
Do you feel comfortable speaking English?
Are you practicing every day?
Do you want to speak naturally?
Your answer should be simple.
Yes, I do.
I am trying.
I am improving.
Now we do something very powerful, shadowing.
Listen and repeat with the same energy.
I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
I feel confident when I speak.
I feel confident when I speak.
I am improving step by step.
I am improving step by step.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Again, with more confidence.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
This is how you build fluency.
Not by thinking, but by repeating.
Now, let's move outside. You're leaving your house.
You can say, I'm on my way.
Or, I will be back soon.
Or, where are my keys?
Or, I'm running late.
These are real-life phrases. Use them daily.
Now, imagine you meet a friend.
You say, hey, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
It's nice to see you.
What are you doing today?
This is natural English, not complicated.
Let's do one more conversation.
Hey, Arya, what are you doing today?
I have some work, but I'm free later.
Great, let's meet in the evening.
Sounds good. See you later.
Short, clear, real.
Now, repeat these key phrases with us.
I am on my way.
I am on my way.
I will call you later.
I will call you later.
Please wait for me.
Please wait for me.
Let's meet later.
Let's meet later. Amazing. You are doing really well.
Remember this.
You don't need perfect English.
You need used English.
English that you use daily.
That is how your brain learns.
Before we move to part 2,
Promise yourself one thing.
you will speak at least 10 sentences daily,
Even if you are alone,
even if you make mistakes.
because speaking is the only way to improve.
In part 2, we will take you to the next level,
More real conversations, more powerful phrases.
and we will help you feel truly comfortable speaking English.
Stay with easy English flow and let your English flow naturally.
Welcome back. If you are still here, that means you are serious about improving your English.
And that's exactly what we love to see, because consistency is what creates real results.
In part 1, you learned how to use simple English in your daily routine.
Now, in this part, we will go deeper, more real conversations, more natural phrases, and more confidence.
Let's start with a very common situation at work or study.
Imagine someone asks you, "Are you busy right now?"
You can say, "Yes, I am a little busy,"
Or, "I will finish this quickly."
or "Give me a moment, please."
These are powerful because they are short and clear.
Now let's build a natural conversation.
"Hey Arya, are you free right now?"
Not really, I am a bit busy. Can we talk later?
"Sure, no problem. Let me know when you're free."
I will call you in an hour.
Perfect. See how smooth that sounds?
No stress, no confusion, just simple English.
Now, let's move to another real situation, asking for help.
This is something we all do every day.
You can say, "Can you help me with this?"
Or, "I don't understand this."
Or, "Can you explain it again?"
These sentences are very important. They make your communication strong.
Let's try a quick conversation.
Ethan, can you help me with this task?
Of course, what do you need?
I don't understand this part.
No problem. Let me explain it to you.
Thank you. That really helps.
This is real English. This is what people use every day.
Now let's upgrade your vocabulary, but still keep it simple.
First word, busy. It means you have a lot to do.
Example, I am busy right now.
Second word, explain. It means to make something clear.
Example, can you explain this?
Third word, free. It means you have time.
Example, I am free in the evening.
Now say these with us.
I am a little busy.
I am a little busy.
Can you explain this?
Can you explain this?
I am free later.
I am free later.
Very good. Keep repeating.
Now let's do something powerful again. Question and answer practice.
Answer quickly in your mind.
Are you busy right now?
Yes, I am a little busy.
Are you free later?
Yes, I am free in the evening.
Can you speak English comfortably?
Yes, I am improving every day.
That's it. Short answers, clear answers.
Now let's move to a very important situation, social conversations.
This is where many learners feel nervous.
But don't worry, we will make it simple.
You meet someone new. You say, "Hi, nice to meet you."
Then, where are you from?
Or, "What do you do?"
And then, that's interesting.
These phrases help you start and continue conversations.
Let's act it out.
"Hi, I'm Ethan. Nice to meet you."
Hi, I'm Arya. Nice to meet you too.
"Where are you from?"
I'm from Lahore. How about you?
"I'm from Islamabad."
That's interesting.
See? Very natural, no pressure.
Now let's do shadowing practice, but this time with more energy.
I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
I feel more confident now.
I feel more confident now.
I enjoy learning English.
I enjoy learning English.
I am becoming fluent step by step.
I am becoming fluent step by step. Again, stronger voice, stronger belief.
I am becoming fluent step by step.
This is not just practice. This is mind training.
Now, let's talk about something very important, your mindset.
Many learners say, I'm scared to speak.
But today, change that sentence.
Say, I am learning to speak.
Instead of I am weak, say I am improving.
Your words shape your confidence.
And confidence shapes your English.
Let's repeat some power sentences together.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I practice every day.
I practice every day.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself. Amazing. You are building real confidence now.
Now, let's combine everything into a real-life flow conversation.
Hey, Ethan, are you free today?
Yes, I'm free in the evening. What's up?
I want to practice English. Can you join me?
Of course, that sounds great.
Perfect. Let's meet at 6.
Sure, see you later.
This is how you use English in real life.
Simple sentences, real situations, natural flow.
Now, before we finish, listen carefully.
You don't need 1,000 difficult words.
You need 100 simple sentences used daily.
That is how fluency is built.
Not fast, not overnight, but step by step.
And if you stay consistent,
Your English will change. Your confidence will grow.
and one day you will speak without thinking.
That's the goal, speaking comfortably.
If you enjoyed this lesson, stay connected with Easy English Flow.
Because here, we make English simple
Practical.
and natural for you.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
And let your English flow
Naturally.